Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there?
Yeah. Oh no. Smoke. This looks like a
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been
มันสีแหนนะ
It looks suspicious. Are you suspicious?
I'm, s- I'm looking so closely, but it's sus.
It's sus.
Yes.
Sauce.
Yes, it's sus.
Sauce.
It's like sus, not sus. Sus. Are we gonna see Nana?
Are we gonna see Nana?
I don't know. I don't know why we're here to the airport.
I helped a bit with Skeeter and his crew business because Skeeter hired me. Build houses. Probably carry a lot of wood and hemp tools for the moment, but I'm also learning a lot about sustainable and salvage wood, which is it's in the trunk. You give it a shot. I can bring it up.
I need a pan.
You need a pan. Okay. Put in a little.
Heat it up.
Just rub it.
Huh? It's not even burning me.
Careful still.
Okay. I'm doing it. I'm learning how to cook. Okay, it's done.
Okay. Come over here.
Pour it in.
And use your spatula.
Spatula? Why do I have to use my spatula?
Hold it like this. Move his hand. And use it to scrape it out. You have to move a little faster
Why?
because this will burn. Don't move that. No, that's gonna burn it. You don't need to move that. It's always on the right place. There you go.
I just want to eat it so bad.
What are you gonna have with your eggs and waffles? What are you gonna drink? Milk. Come back here. The fridge. Focus. Focus. Okay.
Healthy break.
Okay. Good job. No mess. Put the butter back in the fridge and the waffles back.
So they don't get too warm and then I can't eat them.
and I've been lazy. So there has not been any vlogs for a while. The last one I take it down for a very specific reason, but it looked emptier than it really is. But whatever, I don't know. It's summer and we're doing summery things, and I should see them as here. We're not really doing anything, and I feel like I should say something to you guys. We're just hanging out, and what else we have to be? Hang out at work. Not even really hang out, just like, yeah, we do little things, but nothing big, just little things for the little one to have some, you know, summer excitement, and that's it. That's really it. We're just doing the little adult. I don't know when you'll see this though, so whenever. We went over there, the big moose. I'll go back over there and take a video. It's much bigger than it looks. Does that look normal-ish? It's huge. Now we're going over to another park. This is a bison.
What's this?
Bison.
Okay.
Guys, come here.
Oh, is it okay to go up there?
And they ain't got no guard.
I want to go out there. Look at this rock.
Say hi to the vlog. See Moose Jaw.
Hi, vlog.
We're in Moose Jaw, and there's the. You know, someone go down there again. I forget for vlog. But we're going on one of these. The trolleys. And take a little tour around this nice little town. I'm sorry, a city. Apparently, if it's 4,000 or more people, it's a city. But yeah, it's a nice little place. It's a nice. I don't know if I could live here, but it's nice. Okay, so we're waiting for our trolley tour to begin. We had lunch. We came and we had lunch at Montana's. Shivi's favorite place. Shivi, where's your favorite place?
Moose Jaw.
Favorite place to eat.
Montana's barbecue. Welcome to Moose Jaw.
No, not for parking. No, no, look panda. Man, like, but wait, like this is further in the town than we've been. Like we're just like literally on the edge.
The whole town.
No, I mean here. Here is like on the fringe.
This is only where you have been.
Yeah.
We went to the,
the museum.
museum.
Down at the museum.
The
But
first
I was
museum.
just saying to come on, when you enter Moose Jaw, I feel like I just eat that. It's just when you go in, you realize it's
Yeah.
this big place.
It's nice. It's
Yeah.
pretty.
This big place where, everything is there. Ah. Yeah,
Baby.
show me what they want.
I want to go back and
You want to?
see more stuff.
There's no more stuff. That was it.
We did see upstairs.
Oh, you. Oh. Did you like the tour on the trolley? No.
Where you see the RIPs. But want to see the RV.
I think that's our day in Moose Jaw. That's it? That's all we're gonna do?
It's noise. It's noise, Shivi. It's noise.
But they must have parking.
Furthermore, they look
You don't want to watch no Barbie.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
pictures over the welcome to Moose Jaw.
It's real people, and you don't like that.
I do, mommy.
That I do.
Some
sounds
water,
like you want
please.
to sleep. That I do looks like.
Go conk right out on the drive home. Oh.
Cross Canada. See you the ask if you have to do more travel.
We're gonna go take a picture. So folks, that was the day in Moose Jaw. How did you find Moose Jaw, Nana?
Moose Jaw was good.
You like Moose Jaw?
Yeah, it's surprising. Surprising to know that, you know, it's that big place. When you just enter, it just look like,
Like this?
but going into it, so nice. Yeah, nice. Interesting.
You mean this?
Like it's not big, but it's more than
Nana.
Interesting
you
little
would
place.
think.
Yeah. The one thing that surprises me though is like
What's
the
this
Catholic
on?
church.
Why that surprising?
Because I just we're Catholic church. It's too soft. They can't hear it.
It's all you know. It's all you ignore me.
This one's not that
It's
soft.
soft.
When me I try create content, that's how they do. Now pay me no mind. I go stop vlog you. I'm not even laugh. I go stop vlog you. Anyway guys, we're going to head home. Closing out the vlog. Peace.